This hidden gem should absolutely be on your bucket list. Welcome to Costa Rica, a tropical paradise where adventure meets relaxation. Imagine waking up to the melody of vibrant birds in the lush rainforest. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet on its pristine beaches. Did you know Costa Rica is one of the safest destinations in Latin America and welcomes travelers of all backgrounds with open arms? Let's not forget the incredible Costa Rican cuisine. Picture savoring a casado, a traditional dish packed with fresh flavors. And for adventure seekers, zip-lining through incredible canopies or horseback riding alongside volcanic hot springs is a must. Costa Rica isn't just a place. It's an experience that lingers in your soul. Your passport to adventure is waiting. Pack your bags and find paradise. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe for more hidden gems around the world.